Hello, hello. Welcome on into another episode of the Whiskey Crusaders. I'm Will.
I'm Matt.
On this Saturday's Other Liquor series, we're exploring another Bitter Truth product. This is the Golden Falernum. Don't you forget to hit that like and subscribe button, click that notification bell. Put down in the comment section how I messed up that word. Matt, tell me more about this particular one.
All right. As you guys know, we are big fans of the Bitter Truth. This is the Bitter Truth Golden Falernum Liqueur, which I don't know what the hell a Falernum is, but sure. Sounds like a cool word. It is 18%. It's a rum-based spice liqueur, it says. It looks like on the bot, it's got some kind of almonds, and I'm not really sure what that is. Some kind of melons. I don't know. That's what the label looks like. So sure. It says it can be sipped neat or on ice, but it's a great companion for an aged spirit like a whiskey, rum, or brandy. It says it's also indispensable in Tiki drinks, which would make sense. So some of the fun cocktails you can make with it is the Bermuda Yacht Club. It's a great name for a cocktail. The 3 dots and a dash, the Bajan Milk Punch, the dark and spicy, or the Jamaican Sour. So great names for their cocktails. All right, since I don't know anything on that, let's see what it smells and tastes like.
I kind of want to try a 3 dots and a dash. I'm not gonna lie, like that.
Yeah.
That's kind of a fun cocktail name too.
Ooh, lime,
Ooh.
ginger, perfume shop,
Yeah.
old seashells, church incense, and allspice.
I'm picking up. God, what was the name of that store in the mall that
Bed
sold
Bath and
all the
Beyond?
incense? Earth Tones.
Oh,
Earth,
yeah, that one. You're right.
Earthbound.
Yes, that's it. That place,
Oh my
exactly
gosh.
right. That's exactly what that place smells like.
It's like sandalwood and
Oh,
church
yeah.
incense mixed with.
Yeah,
Oh,
it's the
how
incense
fun.
store.
Are you getting it's not watermelon, Matt. What's that melon? The
It's
the Midori melon,
yes,
the musk melon.
it's the muskmelon. I was like, oh, dude, I bet that's what that is. That's
Is
a
that what you're
muskmelon. It is. It's a muskmelon on the picture.
I'm picking up that Midori melon.
Yeah, I was like, there's a fruit here, and you got it before I did, but yeah, it's muskmelon.
Dude, I'm so thankful for this liqueur series. As much as I really hate some of those like super sweet things, my palate has gotten so much better at just being able to be like, oh, that's
Yeah.
this one. I remember this one.
But the interesting thing is this one reminds me some of the pimento dram, which was the allspice dram, and that's in here for sure.
Yeah.
Oh, it's super interesting. We gotta have these guys on. I gotta have them on. We gotta make cocktails with them. I just want these people to come. I'd really like them to come to the States and have them in person. I think that would be awesome.
I could not agree with you more.
Anyone else thinks that? Put that in the comments. We want them to come over here. We need them over here.
I'm getting like a black olive juice.
Oh, totally.
It's so interesting. Like I've never named some of these things before that like
even take the green Spanish olives with the little red thing that's inside of them.
Yeah.
That's even in there. What are those called?
Well, the little red things are the pimentos, right?
Yeah, pimento. That's the word I'm looking for. Yeah, the pimentos even in there. That's fascinating.
That's a little pepper that gets pickled, essentially.
That's what it is. Okay, cool. Now I learned something.
Yeah,
it smells great.
Oh God, it so does. I'm so looking forward to this. Thank you again, Bitter Truth, for putting out these fun cocktails.
Mm-hmm. Oh, that's good. Oh, that's funky but good. Lots of ginger and allspice, black pepper, almond, pimento, a little vanilla lime, sweet peppers.
And it ends with the vanilla lime. You're right, like it's sage. It's sage at the beginning with that pepper and allspice.
Pickled quail egg.
Say a quail egg.
Like a pickled quail egg.
Okay.
On the finish.
Pickled. Yeah.
That is super unique. Super good.
Yeah, again with a little bit of that black olive.
Yeah, that nice little bitterness to it. Almost like that Amaro bitterness we had on that Sagamore last week.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Oh, I like that a lot. But yeah, it's those Jamaican spices are definitely showing up in there.
Yeah, it almost is like that Chinese five spice.
Ooh, ooh. You know what, too? The oolong tea. There's some of that in here, too.
Mm.
Oh, man. Yeah, I think this would actually probably pair really nice with Japanese food, I think.
I think this would pair nice with tea. Holy hell.
Oh, my gosh. I bet this and oolong tea would be amazing.
I'm almost picking up a chai tea kind of in the background of this one as
Yeah,
well.
it's a chai tea. And there's also this, like, hot, the hot and spicy soup you get. There's a little bit of that in there as well. With the mushroom, there's a little bit of fungal mushroom in this. Oh, this is fascinating. Because
So
we got nothing
balanced,
to go on, but this whatever we're finding here.
so balanced, so well rounded. Such a fun complexity of flavors that are kind of
Yeah,
all dancing around together. It's not like a whiskey. It's not like a
no,
wine. It's not like anything else as far as those things go. It's just a
it's
really well balanced. At 18%, dude, I could absolutely see myself sipping on this over ice.
I wonder what ice would do to this too as it melts down to see what flavors change. I think it'd be fascinating.
Yeah.
We should almost do a stream where all we do is drink different bitter truths and this ice and see what they taste like and then ice them down over the stream as we drink and see what they do. I think that'd be a super interesting experiment to do for a show.
I'm down for it because all of them have been ones that I could see myself sipping on.
Yeah, I mean,
Nothing is ever
I
out
like
of
their art
balance
too.
from this
It's just
company.
pretty. They're just doing a great job. I like the bottles, and there's no liqueur I've had that's anything like this at all. And we've had a
Yeah,
lot of liqueurs at this point. Yeah, I mean,
you showed me the bottle, and like even when it was sitting back, I was like, "Ooh, another Bitter Truth product." I
yeah, I mean
knew
these
that
are
later.
very distinct now that we know that we've had. This is probably the fourth or fifth bitter truth I think we've done, and they're just doing a great job.
Yeah.
I love it. I think they're doing whatever magic geniuses that are over there at the Bitter Truth there in Germany. Good job, guys, because hell of a lot of great products, and I've learned a lot from you guys. It's things I would have never had anywhere else. There's no liqueurs like this that exist. Tastes
No.
nothing like them.
No.
So
And again, just incredibly balanced.
yeah, and they're not expensive. I think it's like $22. They're not
Dude,
expensive. I mean,
let's
so
go.
yeah, so they're great prices.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
Once again, thank you, Bitter Truth, for putting out some really, really fun stuff. Thanks, Matt, for introducing me to all these amazing things.
You're welcome.
Don't you forget to hit that like and subscribe button, click that notification bell. We go live every Monday night, hopefully deep diving into a fun topic like having the Bitter Truth guys on, explaining their process. But otherwise, we typically pick a whiskey topic and we deep dive in and really explore what all that thing has to offer. We have a Patreon page if you want to support us financially and get access to some behind the scenes fun. But until next time, keep on crusading for the liquids in your glass. Cheers.
Cheers. Yeah, these are definitely some of my favorite ones.
So at this point in the video, if you're still watching, you've made it to the 0.5% of people that actually stay until the very end and reach the credits. What I'm really hoping is that the Bitter Truth boys are still listening. Boys or girls or anybody that's in charge over there at Bitter Truth, truly, we really would love to have you on to help get the word out about how wonderful these things are. So if you have any interest at all, please contact us. We'd love to spend some time talking to you and celebrating the amazing things that you're creating.
Absolutely. This stuff is awesome.